Kariz-Matikk. Hey, this a my time for shine, no time for back down. Me a go hard and done, just push it to the. No time for sleep, would have no time for relax. Man, every chance I want the #1 slot. Push it to the. If you wanna go with me, girl, you can go with me. Don't be honest, I you know I let my heart beat. It's like you know when you let my heart beat. Black clubs in a black mask. Black and black me endorse. Just like the killer look angry and cross. Some boy with some color but man not endorse. Me have to wish you a Merry Christmas. To all you look, girl, you have the good stuff. Me want to give you my perfect touch. Christmas night, can you back it up? My name is Tagarest amongst the greats. Me come a Sashga. For the exposure, my lyrics them enough yet. Till them a run over, me run past the wall uno just like the car them a do over. Make a bag of nice like you a pot cover. Man a real youth with militancy. Think your bad, come touch me, gangsy. Rush you down a public in a taxi. You bleach out your face like a name patsy.
Hi, my name is Sashga.
And this is Dineiro. We're at the video shoot for Kariz-Matikk, or Artist Elevation 2013 winner. Video shoot for his single from CR3 Records called Likkle and Grow. You don't know this song? Likkle and Grow. So we're here preparing ourselves, figuring out which classroom we're gonna use. The setting is a school, and we're basically going around trying to see which is the best location to do the shoot. All right.
And the sponsor for the video shoot is Dineiro Films. So big up Dineiro and thank you very much. So. Alright, and the person holding the camera, the editor, Edward, Jonai. So, I guess he'll be taking this around to show you back scenes, alright? Alright, bye.
Big up friend na my Likkle and Grow.
Pint I am a snake shaman. Girl a wine like she a belly dancer. Girl, me say don't stop to that something that turn me on. I'm a favorite performer. So I go down for me like it's a sun. You just a wine and a tickle up your body and a move and a shake and a move up your hips up, yeah.
To the video, check out Instagram, behind the scene, Twitter, Facebook, Dineiro things, everything. Sashga production, everything shot. You see me outside?
Artist Elevation, Sashga production. We are still in the middle of the Kariz-Matikk video, and right here you have sponsored by Dineiro Films, Dino and Frank. Big up. Alright, stay tuned and we keep you informed. Bye.
Dance, we gonna dance our life away. Hey, we gonna dance like there's no other day. Hey, we gonna dance, we gonna dance, 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 dance.
Alright, brand new dance, brand new appearance. Brand new dance, me call Likkle. I put a rock reggae, hip hop, rhythm and blues. Touch the floor, you don't know me can't lose. Dance it over there, me never put it on close. I wanna do hard to get, say it easy to do. Rock left, rock right, and put in the body move. Everybody dance, I know now dance.
Oh, dance, we gonna dance our life away. Hey.
Where is the boy them called Kariz-Matikk? Kariz-Matikk?